Time now for our weekly look at the Emirates ATP Rankings. Serbia's Novak Djokovic remains firmly at the top. Great Britain's Andy Murray is in second. Seven-time winner in SW19 Roger Federer is in third place. Spain's Rafael Nadal is just behind him in fourth. Stan Wawrinka is in the number 5 position. Japan's Kei Nishikori stays in 6th. Canada's Milos Raonic is in 7th, while Austrian Dominic Thiem is 8th. And the Emirates ATP doubles team rankings. Bob and Mike Bryan are in top spot, only just ahead of Pierre-Louis Herbert and Nicolas Mahut in second place. Jamie Murray and Bruno Suarez are third. French Open champions Feliciano Lopez and Marc Lopez are fourth, while Treat Huey and Max Mirny are fifth.